Hello everyone, for this video I just want to share this customized spray slash photo box. So while I'm working with spray painting or sanding jobs, I feel like suffocated in my workspace because the air just circulates around. I made this old photo box DIY and added with exhaust fan and exhaust tube, joined them together with the extra filament spool holder so that it will fit on top of my photo box. I'm gonna use it, put the object inside with the rotating Susan, and then do the spray painting job, and then you close it and then you leave it for a few minutes. But if I'm not using it for spray painting or sanding job, I'll just put the backdrop back and then use it for product shoot. This thing is really a lifesaver for me because it helps me improve productivity and safety. So let me know if what are the things that I need to add or improve on this photo box aside from the cable management. Goodbye.